Good afternoon, students. Today we will see how the ledger is balanced. In last video I discussed how ledger posting is done. That means how journal entries are posted into ledger. And in this video I am going to tell you about how the ledger is closed. So you know already that accounts are divided into three types: personal, real and nominal accounts. Now we will see how each one of these is balanced. The same one, the same problem which I discussed illustration 1 in last video. From the same problem we are doing this ledgers. So you can see here that when the entry was cash account debit to capital account, we have entered in the credit side of the capital by cash 2 lakh rupees. Now you know that there is no other entry in the capital account, so this 2 lakh balance will remain there, and this 2 lakh we will transfer to the debit side, and to balance CD we will get 2 lakh. Balance CD means the closing balance. You can see the date, it is 30th April 2018, and it is written to balance CD 2 lakh rupees, because here we had 2 lakh and here we had nothing. So after balancing we are getting 2 lakh is deficit in the debit side, so we will say that the credit balance of capital account is 2 lakh rupees. Now this balance will be transferred as on the first day of the next month, May 1st, by balance BD 2 lakh. And now we will again do the other entries below this one if there is any more entries are there. Now see, in case of Vishal Trading Company there were several entries. So first time we had purchased from them on April 8th. So by purchases account 25,000 will be credited to Vishal Trading and Company, and returns are debited to him, and again cash was paid 19,000 and discount received was 1,000. So his balance is totally closed and balanced. There is no balance remaining, so we will not write here any balance. Again see, in case of Mohan Garments, Siaram Sons had purchased 16,000 from Mohan Garments, and they were paid 7,800. Discount received was 200. So after paying this 8,000, again 8,000 will be due from Mohan Garments on Siaram and Sons. So 8,000 is to balance CD, and here again buy balance BT is transferred to 8,000. So wherever the buy balance BT is written, you will understand that that is the balance of that account. So Mohan Garments we can say is the creditor of us, so it has always a credit balance. In case of Vishal Trading Company we will have always credit balance. In case of capital account we will have always credit balance. So here in case of Hero Limited there is a balance of 18,000, so it has been balanced like that, and 18,000 will be transferred in the next day of the next month. Again in case of drawing account, to cash drawing was debited two times, because once cash was withdrawn and again goods were withdrawn, so purchases was credited by drawing account. So here we are getting 14,000 is the balance, and we are getting by balance BT. Now in case of Pawan Brothers, no amount was paid, so 24,000 is written as to balance CD. Now let's see, these were all the details of personal account. Now let's see how the real account is balanced. So in all the cases all the balances will uh, done, all the balancing will be done in the similar method. There is no separate method, but these accounts are assets such as land, building, furniture, investment, etc. So all these will always show debit balance. So cash account will always have debit balance. So we can easily add up the debit side and transfer this 2,60,850 to this side, and then we can find that how much is the balance. Balance which means how much is the deficit in the credit side with respect to debit side. So it is balanced like that, and by balance CD we will write whatever amount will come, and to balance BD we will write. Again in case of nominal account, how these are closed. So in case of nominal accounts we will see that generally these are balanced always. These are not balanced because there is only one side entered in it, and this is directly transferred. Like purchases account, all the purchases debit will be transferred to the trading account, and all the purchases written will be subtracted from the purchase account. So in this way, all these nominal accounts are balanced. That means there is no closure. Since salary, in salary you can see salary is 4,000 and there will be no credit item. In the rent also there will be no credit item because all these are expenses only. So in this way nominal account balancing is done, and when we get the balances at last, that is transferred to the trial balance. Next day we will see how trial balance is prepared and we will move into that part. Thank you very much.